Welcome to Joyce's Sweet Kitchen. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this my delicious burka stew, ayamase stew. So follow me and let me take you through the ingredients and show you step by step. I assure you, you will not regret watching this video. So let's get started, guys. So let me take you to my ingredients that I will be using to cook this ayamase burka stew. So first of all, here I have my cooked egg. So I have the protein that I will be using: cow skin, cow fruit, chicken, beef, turkey wings, ring, abodi, ishaki. So that is the protein that I will be using, and there's some scorpion fish, mackerel, that I'll be using. As you can see this, let me set this aside so that you can be able to see the tomatoes very well. As you can see, these tomatoes, you can see it's very soft. I bring it out from the freezer, so I allow it to defrost. So it's like the tomatoes that the burka people use to cook their stew. So it's not rotten, but it's very soft. So I have some sea tomatoes and some habanero pepper. So that one is inside. I have 3 habanero pepper. The inside that I have blended together. Habanero pepper. I have this long pepper, so I'll be blending it together. 2 cloves of garlic and ginger. Here I have bell pepper and 3 long bell pepper. I have 2 red and 1 green. This is what they call ishaki or attaché. So as you know, you all know that burka stew, you need a lot of onions. I have 5 onions that I will be using. I will be blending 4 with the tomatoes. Then I will be using 1 to fry the stew. So I have 2 seasoning cubes that I will be using in this recipe. Shallots, thyme, rosemary. Here I have my blended ginger, onions and garlic that I'll be using to cook the meat. Here I have my eyes spicy cube. This is the main thing that the burka stew needs. Here I have my locust beans, what Igbo people call iru, but in English is locust beans. Here I have my Benin native maggi, what we call evbarie. It's like a locust beans, but this is the way people make it evbarie. So I'll be making it Benin burka stew. So I'll be adding this locust beans and this my Benin traditional maggi. This is what our grandmother used to make soup and stew in those days. So it's very, the odor is very intense, but it's very delicious when you use it to cook food. So I have this evbarie that I will be using to cook this my burka stew. Here I have some salt to taste, some curry powder, and I have some vegetable oil that I will be using to fry my stew. You know, burka stew, you need a lot of oil. So first of all, we have to cook our meat. So as you can see, I have put all my meat in the pot. What I will do, I will be adding my ginger, garlic, and the onions. Then be adding my spicy cube, some salt, some curry powder, shallot, thyme, rosemary, and I'll be adding water to it. So I like to cook until the meat is soft. And while that is cooking, while this is cooking, I'll be blending my tomatoes and my tomatoes, onions, and everything together. Then I will cook that to remove the excess water. So as you can see, I have cooked the meat and fried it. This is the remaining one, the cow foot and the abodi and ishaki, and the liquid that came out of it. This is the tomatoes that I blend and I cook it a little bit. I didn't introduce my tin tomatoes, that is concentrated tomatoes. So what I will be doing now, we have to fry the stew. So all your oil is inside the pot. So it's time for us to put our onions. Give it a good stir. I like to saute for 30 seconds. Then add your tin tomatoes. And stir together. And cover it. I like to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, it's time for us to add our tomatoes blend. Give it a good stir. So cover it and allow it to cook. So after 10 minutes, then it's time for us to add our meat. So it's time for us to add our seasoning. Then I'll be adding our locust beans. zero and our evbarie. Stir together. We'll be adding curry powder. Taste for salt. According to your own taste. Stir together. And cover it and let it cook for at least 3 minutes. So I wish you were in my kitchen. The kind of aroma that you will be perceiving, I assure you will like it. The evbarie, the scent that is giving, I don't think that the locust dates will give you the scent. So it's time for us to have our meat. This is authentic burka stew. Ayamase, the authentic one. Guys, I assure you, if you make this stew, you will never regret it. So add your egg. You cannot cook burka stew without egg. It's not possible. So as you can see, this is our burka stew. Yeah, the authentic one. So let's allow it to cook for the final stage 5 minutes before we take it down. As you can see, after 5 minutes, our burka stew is ready. I'm waiting for my rice to cook so that I will use it to eat it. So let's turn off the gas and allow it to cool down while our rice is cooking. See you later. So guys, this is it. I'll be eating it with my rice. So come and join me. I have my homemade juice and my water. So let's give it a taste. This burka stew. Very delicious. Very delicious, guys. I'm sure you will make it this way. We are making it. You'll never regret it. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, share it to your friends and family, give it a like and turn off bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And follow me on my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.